two. There he is. Two raccoons.
Two raccoons and duckies doesn't like it. And they're standing up.
They are. They want to get in and they want to have some food. Somebody's been feeding these guys.
Look at him standing up. Are you getting this?
I am.
Him standing up like this?
Yeah. Wow.
They look like cats.
Kind of do, yeah. It's hard to see that guy back that far. He's camera shy.
He's camera shy.
Yeah.
Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
Comes the other one. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
He's scared of the camera.
Scared of the camera. Oh, he is.
Good boy. You should be scared.
You should be scared. Yeah, we caught you masked bandits on film.
Yeah.
Sorry, you can't come in.
No.
Can't come in.